Hello everybody, today is March 27th, 2017, and Pepper and I are out here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, testing a few more old motors. This is going to be the second video for 2017 open water. This one here is a 1954 Evinrude Fleetwin, 7.5 horse. It's another motor I recently acquired. It was kind of a mess, so this one here got a gear case, reseal, and all the usuals. Gear case, reseal, water pump impeller, lower crank seals, power head base gasket, coils, points, condensers, wires, plugs, carb kit, and fuel lines. Anyway, it turned out pretty good. I just did a speed check with it and got 14 miles an hour out of it. 13 and a half, toggled to hit 14 one time and then went back down to about 13 and a half. So, but anyway, we'll give you a little show on this one. Brand new water pump impeller in it. One of the reasons I bought this Overcast Model S7, I've got a couple friends that have them, and I've noticed that they clean out real well, and that little horsepower, gets them going. So it's a 14-foot aluminum cross Model S7. Absolutely idles down ridiculous. I can't even get it all any further down. If you look here, the mesh won't even let it go out any further. You have to choke it to shut it off. Anyway, there's reverse. I believe it to be a pretty low hour motor. It just looks like it's set out in the weather quite a bit. And back and forward. Okay, that'll do it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.